Tesla is increasing hiring for its Optimus robot project, also known as Teslabot. As the company begins to use its AI expertise to develop its overall humanoid software architecture, the Teslabot project went from a side project to a top priority for the company quickly. Before we begin, welcome to Tech Unity, where I always share the latest about Elon Musk. Please subscribe to this channel and remember to click on the notification bell so that you will be notified every time I release a new video. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. If you have any questions or concerns, be sure to leave some comments below. Elon Musk presented the Teslabot project at last year's AI Day as something the company could do by leveraging existing work and parts from the development of self-driving technology. If they don't do it, someone else will. It didn't appear to be a priority for Tesla. Many saw it primarily as a recruitment tool as the automaker sought to expand its AI team to deliver its entire self-driving system. A few months later, the project's priority level increased significantly. Musk announced that Tesla would prioritize the development of the Teslabot, dubbed Optimus, in 2022 over some of its upcoming vehicles. The company had yet to even reveal a working prototype of the humanoid robot at the time. Musk announced last week that Tesla plans to begin producing its Optimus humanoid robot in 2023, which is much sooner than anyone expected. In about 28 months, the company would go from concept to production on what is arguably its most ambitious project yet. Tesla will need to significantly increase hiring for the project, and it appears that this is precisely what it is doing. In recent weeks, Tesla has posted several new jobs related to the humanoid robot project. Tesla advertised several jobs in the early months of the project, but they were all related to developing actuators and the robot's mechanics. Several exciting positions are available now associated with the software that powers the robot. Tesla, for example, advertised a position titled Motion Planning and Navigation, Teslabot. Tesla is on a path to build humanoid bipedal robots at scale to automate repetitive and boring tasks for manufacturing and logistics. The company stated in the job description, "The motion planning stack central to the Teslabot provides a unique opportunity to work on cutting-edge algorithms for motion planning and navigation, culminating in their deployment to real-world production applications. From inception to deployment, our motion planning software engineers create and own this stack." According to Tesla, the role will be to develop an overall humanoid software architecture. Earlier this year, Musk stated that Tesla's humanoid robot project could play a role in making artificial general intelligence, or AGI, a reality. Other interesting Teslabot jobs listed by the company include deep learning engineer or scientist, Teslabot electrical engineer, Teslabot and controls engineer Teslabot. Will Elon Musk's dancing robot one day free humanity from the drudgery of manual labor? He certainly appears to believe so. Along the way, Tesla's Primo thinks that he can solve some of AI's most challenging problems, including how to dance flawlessly. Charles, please join us today as we dance alongside Elon Musk's next invention, the Tesla Purchased. Tesla's AI Day was just a few days ago, and it was broadcast live from a low-cost arena somewhere in Palo Alto. In reality, the event had nothing to do with robots. Instead, Tesla's top technical executives gathered to breathlessly report on the latest progress on the road to FSD, or fully self-driving cars, to inspire and eventually recruit the next wave of talent that will propel Tesla into the future. Ganesh Venkataramana, Senior Director of Autopilot Hardware, informed Frong about his company's brand new Dome chip. Dome is a sleek new 7-nanometer stamp of silicon that promises to beef up Tesla's processing muscle and, as they make it in-house, escape those vexing production bottlenecks that have hamstrung the entire auto industry of late. Don't worry, we're getting closer to the dancing robot. Why does Tesla require so much computing power to improve its centralized AI self-driving algorithms' iteration rate and profound learning evolution? Those Dome chips, which are second only to the Apple M1 in processing performance, will be grouped in mighty squadrons of 25 and arranged on a so-called training time. Dojo, named after the traditional Japanese house of learning and reflection, is designed to process trillions of real-world data inputs from Tesla's fleet. Hopefully, one day develops an AI self-driving algorithm that doesn't randomly crash into fire trucks. Musk's brainwave at the end of a dry presentation heavy on techno-babble suggests that the Dojo system, which he claims is the fastest AI training machine globally, could do much more incredible things than drive to work. Our automobiles are semi-sentient robots on wheels. It was just a man in a suit doing a little dance, but he illustrated a crucial point. A self-driving car capable of navigating a complex, dynamic, real-world city will require similar intelligence, intuition, and planning levels to those we'd expect from a regular human. In Musk's opinion, a useful near-future AI-enabled bot should be able to go to the store and get groceries for me and other similar tasks. Tesla has reportedly been working behind the scenes with legendary roboticist Dennis Hawk, an authority on humanoid bots. The transition from cars to humanoids doesn't have to be so drastic. After all, the margins for error on a self-driving truck that could kill 100 people if it goes wrong are much narrower than on a one-man-sized robot that might drop a tray once in a while. The Teslabot would soon find countless real-world applications carrying out repetitive and boring tasks that could be as mundane as sweeping the streets or as dangerous as rescuing earthquake victims. We know it will be 5 feet 8 inches tall. A Tesla FSD computer occupies much of its torso, cameras in its head, and a screen for communicating crucial technology information. Some 50 electromechanical actuators distributed throughout its body, 12 in each hand, 12 in each limb, and a pair in each neck and torso, will make the body limber, agile, and fit, but not too limber, agile, and fit. We will set it up so that you can most likely overpower it on a mechanical and physical level, and you can always run away from it, according to Joda, a man who has repeatedly expressed fear that AI will inevitably lead to humanity's violent demise. If you're wondering why Musk is entering a field he's previously warned us and others about, the answer is that if Tesla doesn't, someone else will. One criticism leveled at the internally codenamed Optimus design is that it is too sleek and human-like to be practical. Boston Dynamics, the current leader in humanoid robotics, is nowhere near as felt with the Atlas model. That has been a work in progress for over a decade. Why build a humanoid robot when a four-legged figure is far more stable? Why, for example, imagine hundreds of Tesla bots working in a factory when the most innovative factory robots today aren't even remotely humanoid? One possible explanation is that if he wants assistants or servants to help him navigate the human world, it makes sense for them to look like us. Door handles and stairwells are made for bipeds of a certain height with opposable thumbs. A charismatic dancing robot was precisely what Elon Musk's promotional genius required. To liven up his dull presentation, which was designed in any case to recruit the software nerds who will actually build a dojo and who presumably lapped this stuff up. And as for delirious speculation that Tesla bots will be on the next starship to Mars, laying the foundations of humanity's first Martian colony. Elon will either pull it off in a matter of years, as he promises, or he will lead us astray once again. What do you think? Are relaunch robots the future, or just another example of corporate clickbait? Please share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more poly-popping tech content. Thanks for watching Tech Unity.